Is your beard driving you crazy with constant itching? Maybe even deal with beard flakes, redness, and irritated skin? Well, you're not alone. At some point, especially in the early stages of growth, almost every guy out there with a beard deals with that stuff, and it's completely treatable with a few different common beard product options, most notably beard oil and beard balm. Now, there are two main reasons for this. Dry skin is one of them. New coarse hair that are irritating your skin is the other. So let's talk about beard oil first. Beard oil is the most common beard product out there, and it's the go-to for hydrating your beard hair. It soaks up deep into the skin and hair, relieving that dry, tight feeling. Volt's oil is lightweight, it's non-greasy, and it absorbs very quickly. However, it doesn't offer much in the way of controlling your beard and might feel too light for longer or more wild beards. Beard balm, on the other hand, is like a hybrid of beard oil and beard wax. It also hydrates, but it helps tame the flyaways and shapes your beard how you'd like. It's a thicker product by nature, but it provides longer lasting hydration. It adds a bit of hold and shape to your beard, but is heavier than oil. I personally love balm as my go-to since my hairs tend to stick out every which way and my beard kind of goes crazy, as you can see. But overall, if your beard is new and your skin is dry, start with the oil. If you've got a thicker beard and want moisture with control, then go with the balm. You can even layer both if you need to. Now, as a bonus tip for the best results and healthier skin overall, you'll want to wash away the dirty oils that would prevent the fresh natural oils from absorbing with something like a gentle sulfate-free face and beard wash. And Volt does the trick again because it's natural, it's sulfate-free, meaning it's gentle on your skin. You're also going to want to exfoliate a couple times a week at least with a beard brush, preferably one made with natural boar bristles. Be sure to like and subscribe and let us know in the comments which of these beard products you prefer and why. And we will see you in another Volt video.